Okay, so in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can download any copyright free images for your business, and I will show you 3 websites from where you can download any categories of images for your business, and you can use these images for your blog, social media, website, YouTube videos, for any kind of business, and there are no copyright issue at all, completely safe. So first website I'm going to show you is Unsplash. Okay, if you search in Google Unsplash, you have to click on the first page, and here you can see different kind of images, and there are categories like food, current events, wallpaper, 3D renders, texture patterns, then architecture, nature, business, fashion, film, any category. Okay, to download a image, you simply have to click on this download icon and the image is downloaded. You have no need to log in or sign up. And as a bonus, you can earn money from these websites. To do so, you have to sign up and submit your photos. Okay, the second website is Pixabay. If you search Pixabay in Google, you have to click on this first link, and here you can see different kind of images like nature, abstract, romantic, and any categories like fashion, film, music. If I search fashion, man, you can see you can use these images for your website, business, e-commerce store. Okay, to download an image, simply you have to click on this image and then click on free download, and you can select your size. There are large and small size. You can view it or you can simply download. Okay, to download an image, you simply have to solve a CAPTCHA, and this is very easy. Okay, and click on download and your image is downloaded. Okay, to see the image you can click on open. Okay, look how HD and how good quality full these images are. And the last website I'm going to show you is Pixel. If you search Pixel in Google, you have to click on the first page, and this is similar to Unsplash. There are different categories of images, model, nature, and food, etc. And again same, you have to click on this download icon to download the image, and your image is directly downloaded. So in this way you can download any kind of images from these 3 websites, and these are the best website to find your quality images. So I hope you like this video, and if it was a little bit helpful for you, please subscribe my channel, and till then stay blessed. Tata, goodbye.